At Mazda, our goal is to deliver the Mazda unique joy of driving. One important precondition to enjoy driving is feeling safe. Our highly sophisticated, intelligent i-Activ all-wheel drive technology offers a number of benefits. The system ensures safety, refined controllability, and high predictability of the vehicle behavior by maximizing traction between tire and road surface in all ground conditions and all driving situations. Even when driving on icy, slippery or loose surfaces, and including trailer towing and different vehicle load conditions. The key is making sure that the car always has traction on the road. This requires the perfect torque distribution between the front and the rear wheels continuously. To provide ideal driving at every moment, the car needs to adjust constantly to the conditions on the road. Our intelligent i-Activ all-wheel drive system senses both the driving conditions and the driver's intent. It then calculates and applies the ideal torque split automatically.
The i-Activ all-wheel drive is predictive. It adjusts torque distribution before any slippage occurs. 27 different signals are used, each gathering 200 data points per second about the road, the driver, and other factors that might impact the car's traction on the road. These signals are processed by an all-wheel drive control module, which for instance operates the electromagnetic multiplate clutch to engage the rear-wheel drive. This way, i-Activ all-wheel drive can adjust the torque distribution in real time to guarantee a safe and comfortable driving experience. At the same time, the system was designed to keep low levels of fuel consumption by working very efficiently. During normal operation on ideal road conditions, the vehicle routes almost all its power to the front wheels. Just a small amount of torque is also transferred to the rear wheels. If more power is needed in the rear wheels, this standby torque ensures a smooth transition from front to all-wheel drive mode.
The system used 27 signals to measure the environment of the car and the intention of the driver to switch seamlessly to all-wheel drive when needed. To assess whether the driver wants to accelerate or decelerate, the system keeps track of the accelerator position but also monitors the brake fluid pressure. It also measures the steering angle, which indicates that the driver is about to turn. i-Activ all-wheel drive also closely monitors all external factors that play a role in the car's traction on the road. The front wheel slip warning detection system uses various signals to calculate ground speed and front wheel speed. It immediately detects the microscopic wheel slips that act as a warning sign of potential tire spin. Additional signals monitor the wipers and measure ambient temperature to predict when roads might be slippery or in danger of freezing over. The i-Activ all-wheel drive system works in perfect harmony with Mazda's GVC technology to control torque distribution between the front and the rear wheels.
Mazda's G-Vectoring Control System, in short GVC, is a vehicle dynamics chassis control system that optimizes wheel loads during cornering, and thus it improves the vehicle handling and comfort by intervening in the engine torque. In combination with the advanced all-wheel drive control logic, it improves the neutral steer character of the vehicle. At corner entry, a mild engine torque reduction causes vertical load transfer to the front wheel to maximize the traction performance of all four wheels. When steady cornering, the engine torque restores, but more torque is distributed to the rear tires, where vertical load is increasing then in order to minimize understeer. At corner exit, the engine torque then widely shifts back to front wheels to enhance stability. That functionality also improves controllability, so the vehicle responds faithfully to the driver's intention when engaging in active steering.
In Mazda CX-5, this approach is taken one step further. Here, the all-wheel drive system includes an off-road mode that is designed especially for loose surfaces and bumpy trails. In almost all usual driving scenarios, the intelligent i-Activ all-wheel drive works automatically without any intervention by the driver. As required especially in very slick conditions, the system can completely lock the torque coupling in a fraction of a second, fully automatically on its own. Even when the wheels leave the ground, i-Activ all-wheel drive will sense the situation and assure that the front and rear wheels go at the same speed. Required only for especially rough terrain, drivers of the CX-5 can switch to Mazda's off-road mode, which will deactivate the traction control system. This ensures a maximum of grip by providing the same functionality as a differential lock.
The i-Activ all-wheel drive system stands for safety and ideal traction of the car, no matter the road and driving conditions. By measuring the environment around the car and the intention of the driver, the system can adapt smoothly and instantly to every driving situation and type of ground. The system thereby enhances the typical Mazda driving joy and adds the benefits of an intelligent and predictive all-wheel drive system that combines excellent all-road ability with good fuel economy.